Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by wiring the essentials so data flows. First, ensure your project uses ASB. NET MVC and pick EF or Dapper for access. This decides how you query. Next, add a named connection string in app settings. JSON and register your DB context in startup or program. This makes dependency injection work. Once done, create a model class and add a DB set property on the context so EF tracks the table. This sets the foundation for queries and migrations. Now implement the retrieval logic inside controllers or services. Inject your DB context or repository via constructor injection, then call async methods like to list async or first or default async to avoid blocking threads. Make sure you project entities into lightweight view models to limit data and shape responses. Once your action returns a view or JSON, use model binding and auto mapper or manual mapping. This improves performance and avoids exposing internal fields. Finish by running migrations and seeding data so you have content to fetch. Then call your endpoint from a browser or Postman and confirm the view or JSON contains expected fields. If something fails, enable EF logging or use a SQL profiler to inspect the generated queries and index usage. Make sure you used async calls and proper include for navigation properties. If you see nulls or slow responses, verify connection string, lazy loading, and mapping errors. This single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.